Over time, even merino wool shows signs of the journey. This creative patch repair transforms small scuffs into something unique, inspired by the natural world. Place a small scrap of fabric behind the hole in your garment and secure both layers onto a darning disc. Place your threaded needle into the side of the work area and come up at the edge of the hole, leaving a long tail of thread. Make a stitch a few millimeters away from the hole to form your first sun flare. Then come up at the opposite side of the hole. Repeat this step so that you have 2 adjacent stitches on either side of the hole. This time bringing your needle up along the edge, halfway between the first 2 stitches. Repeat this step again so that you have 4 sun flares. You can continue adding stitches between your existing flares until you have 8, 16, or 32, depending on your preferred design and the size of the hole. On your final stitch, place your needle halfway into the material. Carefully remove the darning disc, pulling the needle to the reverse side of the fabric. On the back side of the fabric, make a couple of knotted stitches. Thread your needle onto the second thread tail and repeat this process. Now trim the threads. You may also wish to trim some of the fabric from your patch. This creative repair technique can be used to create a sun motif, as well as stars, flowers, and many other creative interpretations. And now it's all fixed, with a bit of added personality. Because to repair is to rewear.